I heard about Teslas, and I thought that would be interesting to come and learn about.
The Teslas are like super sleek and futuristic looking. I think it's really cool, especially since like they're better for the environment.
We started looking at, what can we do working with kids to kind of get them exposed to electric vehicles, because the technology is absolutely amazing. This one day really will spark their interest.
I'm just curious to see what it's all about.
So any questions about this?
We're exposing students to many different facets of technology in energy.
They showed us like their solar panel system on the roof, clean energy and efficiency and all that stuff is really interesting to me.
When it's not covered in snow, this is actually quite impressive.
And then at Fleet Services is really the goal to kind of get them underneath these electric vehicles.
We run a lot of synthetics.
I'm going to teach them all aspects of the vehicle.
How much range an electric car has and how fast it charges.
So why is that important? If you're excited about what you want to do, you have to figure out what you like to do, don't you?
I didn't know how much like of the city of Madison's like vehicles were hybrid and electric.
You guys see this thing?
So that was really cool to find out.
EV is so up and coming right now. It's really at a turning point in the industry. We're going to see some huge changes. The car is more computerized.
As technology increases with vehicles that we have today, we are going to need people to be able to work on that technology.
We've struggled for years to get qualified people in the door.
Our local industry is screaming for technicians.
We need to bring in students, the young group, the people that are going to be doing that type of work, and show them what's going to be going on in the shop. You could almost think of it as an IT job in some respect. You have to be computer knowledgeable, maybe even software programming.
Anyone who's interested in going to mechanics is going to have to know about EVs. There are questions I had answered, like about how to maintain it, but there's more questions.
It was a really fun learning experience to learn how these electric cars worked, and I want to learn a lot more.
Because EVs are going to be like the big part of our lives in the future.
These kids are going to be driving the cars. It's their generation that's going to really embrace these electric vehicles, and it's that generation that's really going to move it forward.
1, 2, 3. Go EVs! All right, sweet. Thanks, guys.